Good morning, evening, afternoon guys. My name's the Ednator. Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you're enjoying quarantine as much as I am. A few weeks ago, a company called The Stick Company sent me an email and asked me if I wanted to test out one of their products. A lot of people on their phones have pop sockets, which are the little things that you pop out and then your fingers are in there and you hold it. The thing is about those is they're just not versatile enough, you know? I've had my fair share of pop sockets in the past. Admittedly, I got the cheapest ones possible and they all broke, which is what the Stick Company is trying to fix. They have created a revolutionary product, better than a pop socket in every way. So I have here the package they sent me with the thing in it. You're gonna get a cheeky little unboxing right now. I was specifically asked by them to tell you about my emotions and my experience, so I'll be telling you a lot about that. Oh my scissors. Well packaged, I'll give them that. Gonna make a minor complaint about all the single-use plastic in the packaging. Sorry, but that's the sea turtles. Think of them. These things got more cellophane wrap than like a 5-year-old's packed lunch. Alright, I've got two parcels in here. I assume one of them is the magnet thing and the other one is a stand. The packaging looks like these things are going to go up in some sort of space rocket. I mean, who knows? So in the pop socket type package, you get a choice of two backs for your phone to just have as per usual. And these are magnetic, so the main business sticks on like so. Very strong magnets. I mean, that's pretty strong. Some of you may not be aware of this, but I have a phone, an iPhone 10, which supports wireless charging. One of the questions I had was whether the magnetic bits get in the way of the wireless charging, considering I do wirelessly charge this. Apparently no, so you're fine! Woo! Alright, I think that's on pretty good. Let's try the magnet with the phone. Huh, not bad. It's a good quarantine activity, this. Could just sit around doing this days on end. Plus, feeling a little adventurous, probably just stick some fridge magnets onto your phone using this and just have that as a new fashion accessory. It comes with these two red and black wires, which are also magnetic, and you're supposed to just hook around the back, and then you can use it to just set your phone down. Ah, that's pretty nice. Chuck your phone down and it just sort of just stays there. Like, oh geez, it works landscape too. This is the stand. It's a big weighty part, and then you screw on top the magnetic pop socket thing, and then there's this handy little stand. It's got a suction cup on the bottom, but I haven't managed to get it to stick to anything. I think it does have to be suctioned onto something glass, like a mirror or a window. And then you can just get your phone. Yeah, it doesn't stick very well to things. It might just be my version, but it doesn't stick to anything. Then you just plonk it on your desk and then put your phone on it, and that's pretty cool to have your phone on a stand. Okay, so maybe my phone's a little heavy. The stand is a pretty cool premise. I'm sure it works for most people. The wires are also pretty cool. My emotions right now are glad that my phone didn't smash. If you head on over to the Stick Company's YouTube channel, they've got a bunch of tutorials about how to use their product. The advert that they sent to me was especially good because of just the completely dead inside actors on it. Edwin and I thought it would be a great idea to recreate this advertisement and emulate the emotions felt by these actors as much as possible. Enjoy. So there you go, that's my review of the IMStick magnetic pop socket thing. It's better than a pop socket. I'll have a link in the description if you want to go buy one. They're pretty satisfying to just do this all day long. Thank you to the Stick company for sending me this out. Check out my other unboxing videos. There's a whole playlist here. Subscribe to me, subscribe to the Stick company, and have fun in quarantine. Hey.